Katie, a new season and a new club for yourself as well. How have you settled at Glasgow City so far?
Yeah, I think it's been a really easy transition. The girls have made it really easy for me to come in, really welcoming. So I feel like it's been a good first 6 weeks.
How did the whole move come about?
Yeah, so I heard of the interest towards the end of last season, and I came and met with Leanne, and she spoke me through the vision that she had for the club and where the club was moving forward. And I think the biggest thing was, coming in and a team that expects to win and they want to be winning trophies. Like last year, the fact that they were disappointed by finishing third and not getting Champions League, it shows the mentality of the players and the character of the group. And I think I wanted to be part of something like that. Leanne didn't make no secret of it. She wasn't happy with how things went last season, and so the same for the players. But it wasn't like they dwelled on it too much. They just know that this year we've got to be better. And they came in day one, set the standards really high, and we all had to follow.
There's been a number of signings at the club as well. Has that made it easier to settle in?
Yeah, 100%. I think when you're new, you're always a bit nervous the first day, but when you see there's 8 other faces that are new, I think it was quite nice to have that group and coming in together. And now we're all integrated. I think it's really good. Especially playing in the midfield, I've built up some good relationships. I think Katie Lockwood is a player that you look to her and you can always learn something. Whether it's through her communication or through what she's doing, I think she's a player that you can look up to in the group.
I know you've played right across the front line, so where do you fit into the plan here at Glasgow City? Yeah,
I think so far I've played as an attacking midfielder. I've been deployed a little bit on the wing this last weekend, but I think just anywhere that Leanne sees fit for me to play and I can do the job for the team. I think it's a great start to score goals and keep a clean sheet as well, but we know as players we could have maybe made it 10 that day. So it's something that we want to keep finding the back of the net and keep putting the shots on target as well.
How do you reflect on your time at Hearts, and would you maybe say it was potentially one of your best seasons as a professional? Yeah, definitely.
I really enjoyed my time at Hearts. I can't speak highly enough of it. It was a great group, great management, and I think you saw that in my performances. I was enjoying my football, I was playing with confidence, and I think that makes a huge difference for me. When I'm playing with confidence, I find myself in the positions to score the goals, I find myself to link up the play and the attack, and I think that's what I did last season, and I enjoyed the whole season. It was great.
When you look at some of the goals that you did score, I'm thinking particularly the one against Rangers that maybe swung the title Celtic's way. How much do you just enjoy the pressure in those big matches?
We always knew we had our backs against the wall in those kind of games, so you kind of ride in that wave. It's 0-0, and then to score a goal like that in with 20 minutes to go, and you think, could we actually do this? And I think it was great. For the club it was history as well. The first 3 points against the top 3. So I loved it. The team loved it, so we can't really complain. But yeah, it was great, and to kind of have that say in the title as well, I think was great for us.
Now a big challenge is coming your way on Sunday, Celtic. How's the expectation level changed from last season to this season? Because you're talking there, backs to the wall in a game like that, but now you're maybe going to be on the front foot in those big matches.
Yeah, 100%. I think I knew that coming in, and that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted to be on a team where we're expected to win these games. We're expected to go in and play our football. It's not a case of sitting back and letting the team come on to us. I think last week we made a little bit of a statement with the 7-0, and this week we're taking the confidence in, and we do want to show that we're here to come back for the title this year.